Today is February 3rd, and the shirt of the day is for Slowboy Racing.
Furnish 123's furniture is easy on the eyes, and the cost is easy on the wallet.
Hey Angela, that dance move is bad. Oh, I can do something else. Do these pants make me look fat? Honey, you're super fat. This drink is so hot right now. Oh, then sip it slowly, sip it slowly. Yo, that club we went to last night was sick. Then I hope you washed your hands. That iPod's pretty sweet. Have some of this granola, man. It is dope. That explains why it's so addictive. This suitcase is the bomb. Yo, that car is crazy slow. I know, right? I got it done with the help of Slowboy Racing. Sometimes you don't want to mean what you say. Slowboy Racing, they make super fast cars. I mean it.
Furnish 123, it's simple as do, re, mi.